In this video, I will show you how to add funds into Cash App in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So when you first open up Cash App on your device, you're going to get a screen that's going to look similar to this. Now, what you're going to want to do first from here is come to the bottom left-hand corner, and you're going to see a picture of like a building. What you want to do is give that a click. So before you can actually add cash, what you're going to want to do first is link your bank account. So when you click onto that, you're going to be taken to a screen like this, and you want to click onto the bank account option, and then go ahead and enter your bank details to link your bank account to Cash App. Once you've done that, just come back to this screen and you're going to see at the top it says add cash. So what you want to do is press onto this, and any funding options that you've got available, it's going to give you the option to add funds from. Finally, all you need to do is just enter the amount of cash that you wish to add to your Cash App account, click the add button underneath at the bottom, and that's going to go ahead and add the funds to your Cash App account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.